Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my creative journal, and it is the Sophisticated Floral Classic Size Happy Planner. It is for the week of February 14th through the 20th, so we are looking at the Valentine's Day week, and I'm going to be using the Winter Wonderland from Live Love Posh. That sticker book is just so incredible. And I mean, look at it, right? So I'm going to be using those Valentine stickers in there and Mojo Jojo colorful boxes. That's what I'm going to be creating this spread with. And I think I'm also going to use the Mega Flower Power sticker book, and we will go from there. I'm gonna cut those in half and use those red floral stickers, the outline ones. I think that might be cool, I'm not sure. Okay, while I'm doing this, I wanted to say thank you. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. And if you are coming back, welcome back. I really hope that you enjoy spending time with me, and I couldn't be more grateful for you choosing to do so. Here we go. Let's get into the spread. Okay, I actually dig all of these flowers in a sidebar like this. I think it's pretty awesome. It looks super cool, and I'm just gonna fill it in. Watch me do that because I really think that this is so cool. Okay, I'm just gonna move it a little, or actually let's cut it off. There. What do you guys think? Isn't that cool? I really enjoy looking at it and having that sidebar. I think it's beautiful, and now I can go ahead and do a few more little stickers from Live Love Posh, and the spread will be done. So let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this big sticker. I'm getting there. Okay, here, let's start with this envelope. I think it's super cute. There we go, right in the center. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add that one right there. Nothing special, not adding anything additional to these stickers or making clusters. I just like them as they are, especially because I want to emphasize that sidebar. Okay, so there we go. I'm gonna add some really red boxes into this spread, and obviously it's mostly for Valentine's Day. Not even mostly, completely for Valentine's Day. These stickers are truly lovely, and here we go. Let's go ahead and put those down. And then I'll go ahead and do a couple more boxes to balance out the spread, and then I'll be adding more stickers. Look at this one. It's a big one, so I can journal. Okay, I'm gonna add the lollipop spot. I'm not sure about these lollipops, so let's take a look. I'm gonna go ahead and lift it and then angle it. Let's see, that looks much better. I'll add a red bow so it looks like a big gift. I'll add another one up there, and that minimizes that straightness of these lollies. And if you can see, I'm cold, so I'm pulling my sleeves. Okay. Adding so many red boxes. I love it. I actually really enjoy making Valentine spreads. I didn't realize that. And I'm not a huge pink girl, nor a red lover, but making these just makes me warm and fuzzy, and I really like it. Okay, I'm gonna add another box so I can write in there. I really enjoy adding them and layering them like so. It allows me so much room to write. I'm gonna add those lips, those smackaroos, and the hearts. Yeah, the spread is looking really, really full. I'm gonna add that love. And then another set of hearts right there. I'm not gonna use that, but I'm gonna use the Valentine's Day like so, and place it right there. And I'm gonna add some flowers to this to balance this out. So I'll start with that and add that on top, and then add the other half to the other side of the box. I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna add a little bit into this one, like so. And one more, and I think I should be all done after this with this spread. I really, really enjoy how that came out. I hope you guys did too. If you did, don't forget to give it thumbs up and like and comment. I'll see you guys very, very soon for another video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye!